The desperate search for survivors continues with time running out after that catastrophic earthquake in Southeast Asia. The death toll now skyrocketing, more than 1,600 killed in Myanmar alone. Janice Mackey-Freyer reports.
In Thailand, the desperate race to find survivors from a catastrophic earthquake. Search dogs and drones being used to spot any sign of life. As international aid is pouring into the region, U.S. soldiers are now on the ground in Bangkok.
Honestly, we're just trying to get a handle on what's going on right now.
They're assisting in recovery efforts, where today a massive pile of debris remains after a 33-story high-rise that had been under construction buckled and collapsed, sending workers running for their lives and trapping dozens of others.
It is painstaking work. The heavy equipment has been working to peel back the layers of concrete and debris, trying to reach those people trapped inside.
The 7.7 magnitude earthquake had its epicenter in neighboring Myanmar, a poor and isolated country with an ongoing civil war. State television today announcing the death toll there is now greater than 1,600 people. Thousands more are injured. The hospital's overrun, as patients can be seen in beds outside this hospital in the capital. On Friday, President Trump pledging U.S. assistance in the region.
It's terrible what's happened. It's a real bad one, and we will be helping.
In Thailand, family and friends of the missing construction workers are desperate for any news. Leaders are promising to continue recovery efforts.
We always have hope. We work tirelessly.
The earthquake that had this man clinging to the side of a building for dear life and water cascading from a rooftop has other survivors still recounting their luck.
I was in my hotel and I was very scared because everything started shaking and I've never experienced something like it.
Here in Bangkok, the fuller picture of the devastation is still coming into focus.